If, like me, you were on your healing journey, just know the process of transformation always precedes elevation. There's a scripture that says, if we delight ourselves in the Lord, He will give us the desires of our heart. So just know that He knows exactly what it is you're believing Him for. And He says that your value as a human being is far above rubies. And He loves us so much that He's counted every hair on our head and every day of our life is numbered. And that we, as His children, are the apple of His eye. Today, I want to talk to you about visibility. This is for the person who was once told to be quiet. Sometimes we weren't told to be quiet, verbally, or with those words. Sometimes it was a message, even as a young child, that we received. And it became forever engraved in our heart and in our belief system. I want to share a few words with you. I was not born to stay hidden. There was a time when shrinking felt like safety, when silence became my shield, and invisibility was the only way I knew to survive. But that was survival. This is healing. This is me reclaiming every part of myself that was told to disappear. I now understand. The wound wasn't just about being unseen. It was about being unprotected. But I am no longer that little girl waiting for someone to choose her. I choose her. I see her. I am her. And I will never hide her again. Every time I post, speak, share, or teach, I am not performing. I am protecting the promise. I am building the life she prayed for. I am becoming the answer to the silence that tried to bury me. Visibility is my vindication, not for vanity, but for victory. Not to be liked, but to lead. Not to be seen, but to set others free. My story carries healing. My voice carries strategy. My platform is not performance, it is purpose. I show up now not because I need attention, but because the women and men I'm called to serve need permission to be seen, to be whole, to be her, to be him. I am not hiding anymore, and neither should you.